In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cowbell in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access a cowbell sound using Soundtrap's drum machines, so you can drop that signature click into your beats fast. First, open your browser and head to Soundtrap's Music Makers page. If you're not already signed in, click Log In. On the Login screen, choose Log In with Google, then select your Google account and follow the prompts. If you see a permission screen, just confirm to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the home area. From here, click Studio to open or create a project. If you're starting fresh, a blank project is perfect for this. Inside the studio, look for the option to add new track. This is how we'll load the instrument that contains the cowbell. When the track picker appears, you'll see several instrument types. For the most control, choose Patterns Beatmaker. If you prefer a more automated approach, Smart Drummer can also work, but Patterns Beatmaker makes it easier to place the cowbell exactly where you want it in your rhythm. With the Beatmaker open, you'll see a drum grid and a kit loaded by default. To change that kit, open the Machines section, which is where Soundtrap keeps different drum machine presets. Use the search field and type Cowbell Funk. This will narrow the list to the kit we're looking for. Click Cowbell Funk to load it into your track. Once the kit is loaded, you can immediately start programming your rhythm. The grid represents steps in your bar. Click on the row labeled Cowbell to place hits. Press play to audition as you go, and feel free to adjust your project's tempo to match the groove you're aiming for. If you want the cowbell to cut through, try placing it on off beats or use it as a call and response with your snare. You can also tweak sound settings like volume and pan on each lane to sit the cowbell properly in the mix. Many kits include controls for tone or decay. Shortening the decay can make the cowbell tighter and punchier. Keep in mind, some kits and machines in Soundtrap may require a premium plan. If Cowbell Funk shows a lock icon or prompts an upgrade, that's what's going on. In that case, you can audition it, consider upgrading, or search for a similar free kit and layer a cowbell sample. That's it. You've opened Soundtrap, logged in, entered the studio, added a track, selected Patterns Beatmaker, searched Machines, and loaded Cowbell Funk. Now you can create beats and melodies using this kit and shape that cowbell to fit your track perfectly.